If you love the relaxation of gardening and the joy of plants, but avoid it because of painful arms and sore hands, then you'll love the all-new Wristies. The comfort gardening tools guaranteed to give you more gardening power with less pain and less strain. Standard garden tools have always had one straight handle, forcing an awkward position with less strength. The secret to Wristies is in the 90-degree fulcrum handle that increases leverage and power by up to 25%. This vertical integration improves grip strength and keeps your hand and wrist in a natural, stress-free position, so you can enjoy gardening again without the strain.
These tools are so much easier to use. Normally, I'd have to pull up with my wrist. The tool did all the work. It gave me a lot of strength in my arms. Fantastic.
And forget weak tools that break easy with blister-busting handles. Wristies are made tough with high-quality carbon steel for the roughest of jobs. The soft and comfortable contoured grip is perfect for both left or right-handed gardeners. So whether it's planting, digging, ploughing and more, it feels like you're not even holding them. Perfect for seniors or anyone suffering arthritis or weak joints.